about to board a 15-hour flight. Everything's closed. What's up, y'all? Welcome to the travel vlog. I'm so tired. We just got off a 14-hour flight, basically, and then now we have to do like a 5-hour layover in the Hong Kong airport. We're waiting for our food right now. Ooh, looks cute. Oh, a cup. It is 8 o'clock. We are 2 hours away from boarding. We still don't know our, gate that we're supposed to be at. And we've just been wandering around and bought snacks. On our way. We're at the gate. The plane has started boarding, but we're gonna wait until the line dies down because there's such a long line. We made it to our room. Here's a room tour. Bathroom right here, very nice. And then it's like a desk, couch, beds, TV, entryway again. It has been over 24 hours of traveling. Like, look at this view. We're having a charger problem. Do you think we can get an adapter from the hotel room? I mean, from the hotel. What does this say? I can't read Chinese. Oh, look, there's English in the background. Okay, we solved our charger problem, so nothing to worry about now. We're chilling. And it's like 100-something degrees outside. So I think we're just gonna chill in here a little bit. Okay, I just found out, or just realized that I only packed one other shirt to wear outside, and then 2 dresses, so I really need to lock in today, right now. It's only 3:30, so we're gonna go out and shop a little. And then hope we find something, cause I'm gonna run out of clothes. Anyway, wish me luck, cause I might be out of things to wear soon. Yeah, my mom looks like a tourist. I'm kind of tired. Oh my god, everything is so cute here. And so cheap. It's only 15 yen. We're in a store. Dude, this is like Taobao in real life. It's crazy. Oh my gosh, I literally wanted to come here. Okay, we just got to custom-made silver bangles at this shop. Honestly, I'm kind of like scared to record in shops because they just like hover near you. They're very hands-on, very hands-on. They're just like, they're like all over you. They really want you to buy something. It's a lot of pressure, I'll be honest. So none of these stores look very promising. I don't know what the outfit for tomorrow is gonna look like. Maybe bare butt naked, because I think I'm gonna run out of clothes. Yeah, this one mall. There's very similar styles like everywhere, I must say. This mall is actually so tall. But I feel like only the first couple of floors have like actual stores in them. Yeah. Oh wait, there's even downstairs levels?
Downstairs is food.
Oh.
Do you want to find some food?
I thought you want food.
Huh?
Yeah, we can. Let's go get food.
Yeah,
Oh my god, it's so hot. I'm not that hungry.
just
No,
get this
I just
one.
want no spicy, no vegetable. That's it. What is this? This looks good. It's spicy. Oh my god, it's spicy. It's so good. It's spicy. Ready? Oh, cold. It's cold. I like it. Not spicy at all. Okay, we just finished. That was crazy spicy. I had to get a whole new bottle of water. We're going back up to shop. I really hope we find something good. We're also gonna walk to Basement FG, which I've been wanting to go to. So I hope they have something good there. This is where we got our bracelets. Woo. It's so crowded now. Look at that. Performance. Oh, holy shit. It's actually so crowded now. It's crazy. Like earlier there was like barely any people. And now the streets are flooded. I can't believe I was like, oh my god, I want to hit like all the stores. There is no possible way. You need like a week to hit all these stores. We finally made it. What the heck is this price? Got some fruit. Okay, we ditched Basement FG. No purchases today. No clothes for tomorrow. You can wear my t-shirt if you want. I have one shirt. So Call of Duty, come pick us up, then we're gonna go back to the hotel. I'm like shiny, it's so hot. I'm sweating. Oh my gosh, it's been a long day. Or 2. It's been like 2 days. At least. It feels like it's been 2 days. Oh, I'm tired. My feet are so sore. Gonna go to sleep. See you tomorrow. Good morning. Jeez, it feels like we're walking the Great Wall. Oh my gosh! The first panda. It's cute. Whoa. Lots and lots of walking. There's so many people. Got food. Let's go. Time to keep walking.
Oh. Hold on, let's see what's his name. David? Oh, that's his family. He's eating now. I was vlogging. It's like so hard.
Not bad. Oh my, cold.
Oh, that's cute. Look at the way it's sleeping. That's cute. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh, it's fast. Whoa. Oh, it's so tiny. Oh, it's coming, it's coming. Oh, see the way it's walking. Oh. Oh my gosh. See, they actually love people. Oh my god, it's coming. It's coming. Oh, so fluffy. Ears. Oh, so cute. Oh, hi, baby. Oh my god. So
now I really want a headband.
These will prevent him from climbing.
our pandas. Cute. So tourist center.
We made it to the exit.
Whoa, what is this?
You got some food.
More than me.
You don't want it? It's okay. We're back. We're back. I'm so tired. Headed back out. We're gonna walk across the bridge. I think this bridge would look better at night. Looking for somewhere to eat.
This is like things in here.
Just like bars though. We don't know these singers.
It's a pork with
Cabbage?
some cabbage, yeah.
They like meat skewers.
Yeah, okay. Okay, 那就先这样吧。
We sat down at a restaurant. Just like on this random alleyway-ish. Hope it's good. First dish has arrived. Garlic shoots and lamb.
No.
Chicken?
Pork. Most likely pork.
Oh, garlic shoots and pork. It'd be like a whole plate. This is like not many skewers at all. Whoa, they're on like actual sticks. Look.
Oh.
Anyway, here's our
Actually,
skewers.
then that's good.
What is this? Pork? Pork skewer.
This is lamb.
This tastes like lamb.
That is lamb? Then that's lamb too. Lamb. This is beef.
Lamb skewer.
And your water.
Pretty good. How's the rabbit?
It's different. It does taste like very like taco grilled.
Some rabbit. It reminds me of like turkey leg.
Yeah. I'm good. If I don't tell you it's rabbit,
It just looks weird.
oh,
Dumplings are also here. Cute. I thought the portions would be bigger. It was pretty good. Decent size for us. One more dish, the noodles. Beef skewer. Spicy. It hit my, it like hits my nose. I like the lamb more. So you feel it, right? The noodles have also arrived. That's everything, right?
Yeah. That's not bad.
Yeah. Not that much food. I thought it'd be too much. Pork belly skewer. I feel like I'm a mukbanger. An American mukbanger. This is spicy too.
That looks spicy.
I'm like feeling it. Dumpling.
Okay.
It's hot. Not spicy hot. Temperature hot. Pretty good. Lots of cabbage. It's hard out here for a picky eater like me. I love corn. Classic. Okay, spicy. You want to try some corn?
No.
It's just corn on a stick.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, it's hot. Spicy noodles. What's this? Dan dan mian. Dan dan mian. Tastes like garlic. Like straight up garlic.
Hmm? 이거도?
And maybe something else. I can't describe the taste. What is the broth?
아무것도.
It has a very unique taste. Chicken wing skewer.
That one was spicy.
Is this rabbit and you're just lying to me?
That's chicken wing.
It looks like rabbit.
The middle part of the wing.
Well, it tastes exactly like chicken. We're like basically done eating, but we don't know how to pay the bill with WeChat Pay. Like, we've never had to do this before, so we don't know.
Okay, you have a...
We'll pay somehow. Maybe we pay with cash. We figured out how to pay. I think she wants some stinky tofu. Wait, some fuzzy tofu.
Yeah, 毛豆腐. Do you know what's that 毛?
Mold.
Yeah,
Moldy tofu.
moldy tofu. Eat it.
Spicy tofu. Yeah, go ahead.
It's hot.
Oh. Well, it's fried, isn't it?
Yeah, it's just recently fried tofu. I don't want to burn myself.
How is it?
The tofu itself is plain. I thought the tofu would
Oh,
have
bland.
more taste. Yeah.
Let's put some spice on it or something.
Oh no, the spice is here.
Oh.
Well,
What?
the tofu itself, like, I thought it'll have some different taste.
Like flavor
Yeah.
from the mold?
uh-huh.
Well, how is it? Good? Bad? Okay.
Okay.
It's okay.
It's just like fried tofu.
Ah. Going on a little walk. Gosh, looks pretty crowded over here.
People are just like,
Yeah, it's just a gathering center, I guess.
yeah, 2-3 groups of like dancing, and then like those people are playing just badminton there.
It's like 10 different things at once. We've been sitting here like watching these like people dance. It got dark out. Walking back. Are those like
tarot card. It's
are
like,
those stalls? Little stalls? Should we walk down there? Maybe it's like a little night market thing.
yeah.
There's no English here, so I can't read these signs.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh, okay, they have
Look, they're busking. Oh my gosh, wait. Those people, I saw them sitting down at a restaurant earlier. Yeah, it's just not open, but just a short little night market, huh? Totally like nightlife.
yeah, like so many live music going on.
Yeah.
Oh, you see the bar?
Yeah. There's like someone in every single bar.
Wow, yeah, the bridge looks really pretty.
Yeah. Looks so pretty. Whoa.
Gosh.
Convenience store. They have like just straight up bread.
Huh?
They have like just straight up bread. Look, there's like so much food. This is crazy. Okay, let's go. Pretty nice lounge. Leaving the lounge. It's 9:42 right now. Gonna head back up. Good morning. It's day 3. Today for breakfast we're going down to the buffet. Don't you want a plate?
Eggs? Oh my god, they have all different kind of eggs.
Here's what we got. Dude, this is super American.
That's for sure, too. And do you need a nail clipper?
No. Wow. Lots of sandwiches. What's in here? Does it say?
That one is tuna. This one is eel. That's chicken.
Oh, I like chicken. Maybe we'll come back for these later. Heading back out. It's 11:13. We're gonna go to a mall. Or I think it's a mall.
Chinese shopping plaza.
I'm not sure. We're here. Go, go, ego. Well, I think it'll be empty. Well, empty-ish.
Yeah. What's open?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this is the one I keep seeing everywhere. It's nice, huh?
Oh, I like this.
And it's cheap. Look at that.
Yeah.
Sale. I love sales. Let's get a bag. I'll take it.
This is cute.
This is cute. I like it. Oh my gosh, this is like Taobao in real life. I'm so glad we came here. Yeah. This is crazy. It starts from down here.
I want to go to that
Yeah.
dress store.
Should we start down there and make our way up?
Huh?
Should we start from down there and make our way up?
Well, I think we're already on.
I know, we're in the
There's
middle
stuff
right now.
above.
Yeah, there's stuff above us. Okay, should we go up and then down then?
Yeah. I think we should. We're already here.
Okay. Wow, it is super pretty. Ooh, this is cute. Purchased. They have like seating areas everywhere. They have like a K-pop cafe. I'm in a fitting room. It's kind of cramped. It's like tiny. And they just have them in like the middle of nowhere, low-key, or just like out in the open basically. Convenient, I must admit. But let me try this on. And there's no mirrors. I have to go out. Neither of my picks fit. I am too big. I am American sized. This is US 30.
It's just about $30. Yeah.
Yeah. Why so expensive? Yeah, look, this is gonna be even more. 36. We came for Chinese prices, not US prices. I'm trying on our skirt. Worker literally had to get like a bigger size for me because I didn't freaking fit it. Ugh. Look. Like it fits. Is it cute? It's not bad. I actually kind of like it. Oh, okay. I actually like it. Okay. Everyone's like really helpful here. Even though like they don't even get like tips or anything. I don't know. They're just like.
Look at that.
We're getting a Pocheco speaker. Oh my god.
Skirt.
Yeah, it fits.
Oh, it fits?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Whoa. Cut! Oh my gosh. Wow, I wish I could just change somewhere. I have a cute outfit on.
Ask them to change.
Oh, hey, look, there's a bathroom. Changing into a new outfit. You can't really see it, but this is the fit. I had to change the shirt. The pink one looks a little weird. Yeah, I think these are like accessories. Oh, there's undergarments over there. I want like this skirt.
Huh?
I want like this skirt. Oh wait, no, look, it's right here.
Take them out of the mannequin. You like the white one or the blue one?
White. Can you try it on?
Yeah. That's $30-something. $199.
Oh, what is the sale section?
Anything? Yeah. Anything this area?
Uh-huh.
15%.
Oh. Trying on clothes. It's nice. I'm getting like the large sizes. So they fit. But yeah, it's nice. And like sometimes they talk to me in like Chinese and I cannot understand it. It's okay. 谢谢. Okay, copped. Whew. My arm is getting heavy, yo. It's all accessories.
Just
Oh, yeah.
change. Mama.
Yeah, cute. I like
I
it.
knew that, right?
Yeah,
It's more like the style you were looking for.
Yeah.
And then like, this is a good price too.
yeah. We've stumbled into the back alley markets of the mall. We already got like 3 pairs of jeans. Well, jean shorts. Now we're just looking around more. There's so many stuff. There's so much stuff here. You could get lost for hours. We're out of the back rooms. Holy shit, there's even more. There's probably more alleys in the basement too. Look at all these alleyways. Holy shit. We're back in the alleys.
Did we go in this one?
No, different. Yeah. Oh shoot, we're getting lost already. Even the back rooms have back rooms. I think the further down we go, the less stylish everything is. Or less trendy.
也不是黑，是一个比较深的蓝色。这样子穿呢也会比较偏气质的感觉，也很。
Just bought a pair of like dress pants-ish, like linen-ish. Time check? No idea. We have lost track of time. We have lost track of space. I don't know where we are. We made it to the last level. Oh shoot, look. There's more alleys. Oh, holy god. I think we should not go in another one. Let's just walk the loop. In the alleys again. This is our hall. Oh my god. I think we need to rethink our plans. Maybe less shopping? I was right, we really are gonna go back home with like a bunch of suitcases.
We're gonna organize it and then dump
Yeah, it's probably not as much without all the bags. Anywho, this is a pretty good haul. For a pretty good price, considering.
Yeah.
Back at the hotel with our haul. Aren't you glad I found this place?
Yes. Well, you got some shopping done.
I know. These are my. I'm glad I found this
Also, they're
place.
good style. And
Okay. I'm so tired. Now I have clothes. I'm not clothesless. Shopping. There's only so much shopping we can do, I think.
Yeah.
Time for my speaker unboxing.
so cute.
I know, this box is so cute. I'm so sad. We have to like get rid of it. Ooh.
Oh, it's upside down.
Oh shit.
This box is very cute.
Cute. Wow, this is a lot of empty space.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. When we were there, I said, I saw this on Taobao. The surfboard is a remote.
Oh, I heard that they sell it on Taobao.
Necklace. P for Pochaco. Here's the speaker. Oh, the tail moves. Oh, I think this is the volume control.
Oh my god, this is so cute.
It's so cute. Oh, it's Pochaco's necklace. Oh, here, gangster.
I heard a guy telling the other person that
Oh,
it's
shoot.
85% off, and I went to look at it. The first thing I saw, oh my god, Pochaco. I didn't even know what it is for. I was like, I should probably get this for Audrey. So cute.
Oh, instructions. Or no, just a comic. Oh, jeez, I can't read Chinese. Can you read this? Huh?
This is the travel plan.
Oh.
So he
Oh,
has
that's
to go
cute.
surf on the first day.
Oh, yeah. Oh. So cute. So cute. A remote. Ooh, this is cool. To like do the volume, turn it on, volume, pause, play. This is so cool. I need to bring this to college. My roommate is gonna be like, what is wrong with you? ID card. So cute. It's so cute. Look at this. It's like a surfboard.
I know.
Oh gosh. Recalculated our total. $429 for all this. Not bad. We're headed back out to Chenxi Loop. This time we're gonna look for the panda statue. And look, outfit change. I can't really see it in this mirror, but how about this? Ta-da! Outfit change. Do we look more Chinese? I hope we can actually find the panda. I hope we could find good food. We got some watermelon. It's actually pretty good, yeah. We're gonna walk through IFS to get to the panda. We're on the other side. There it is. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Do you want to put it?
Just try it. Oh yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
We got some street food. Oh yes, oh
Very good.
yes. This one is so much better than the other days, yesterday's. They make them as skewers. Oh, really? Cheaper?
Yeah, that one cost me 28. That plain barbecue one.
Tourist price versus tourist price. Holy shit.
That's good.
Man, these look huge. The crunch on this thing is insane. My lamb skewer. Super tender, very hot. Really good. This is really good.
It's better than dumpling.
I feel like we walked here the other day, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure at all.
I don't think so.
It just all looks really familiar. Oh, that's hey, we've come here before.
That's this area.
Yeah. Well, guess we can walk here again. We came here like on the first day.
Yeah.
Should we look at the shops? Oh, I want to go up to Sheep Park.
460，请列小心。
We got kind of lost. We were walking around and then figured out that we've been to basically every part of this light road. So now we're just walking randomly down where we've already walked. Ah, well shoot, this is where we came from also, isn't it?
I don't know.
This is where we just came from to where we got our food from. Let's go this way. I don't think, wait, have we been this way?
I don't know. We probably did. They got us.
I think we've walked everywhere somehow,
Yeah.
but and like everything just looks super similar and like the same, so it's hard to tell where we've been and where we haven't been.
Oh, are they having us to sell something?
Hey, I think it's a. Oh, let's go, let's go.
限时场购. Oh my god, $50.
No, I think it's rip-off polo. I think it's rip-off polo. 20% off? Yeah, I think I'm good. Because it's not real. Oh, look, another one. No wonder we keep getting lost. Everything looks the exact same.
And the same store. Like every,
Yeah,
there's
somehow
two corners,
the same stores. Mall we went to, they were like a little different. These are like, they have the same name and everything. I think they got AC. Oh, I'm being followed again. As soon as we stepped in, I was reminded of why I don't like shopping on Chunxi Loop. Because they keep following you. Have we been here before? I remember that
I think
vividly.
I remember that glass place too, yeah.
Oh, well, I guess we are walking down a road that we... Wait, this is the exact same place. Look,
I'm so
it's that
confused.
Simmer again. And the Skechers, and the Adidas. And those three mean the place that we just came from.
Oh, let's go to that way.
Yeah. Oh shit, but that's the performing place. Well, whatever. We can go see the performance again. Yeah, wait.
I don't think we went that way.
Yeah.
Then we came down this
No.
way. No, yeah, yeah,
We've
yeah.
been all these places. We've come every single place there is to go. Very cute. Number. Okay, we were gonna go down this random alley, so we went down it, but at the end was just like a shady alleyway, shady side street. So we did not go down there. Wow, but like it's so dark in those like alleyways.
Yeah.
Like
Without
I feel
the
like
lights.
yeah, everywhere we've been it's so bright. But we should go to Miniso. To Miniso. Look, this guy's the same last name as me. And this guy.
That's his sister.
Oh, and this girl.
Yeah.
Look at this thing. Okay, we just checked out. At Miniso, we bought so much that they gave us like a free plush. But as we were checking out, there was this lady who wanted to pay or like whatever, I don't know. But she was like all up on us. She even had her like Weixin pay out. Her code was out. It's like, girl, do you want to pay for us? Go ahead. You wanted to scan your code so bad, like. She was like holding it out before the girl even scanned our stuff. I feel like you're very directionally challenged.
Probably.
Same as my friends. Oh, let's go this place. They have really good sales. I saw online. No, it's called Yessi or whatever. So look. I think it's similar to that other place we went. But maybe less expensive. Oh my gosh. Wait, I like this place. Wait, look. It's like... Dude. Yeah, it's like unexpensive, right? I can't tell. I'm finally in the fitting room. It took me like forever to get in here because there's like so many people just cramming in like one stall. This is like Randy Duke. But I've got like 3 things because my mom told me not to get stuff that I already have, so had to get real creative. Cute. These are both some Weekend Hub, which I got today, and the back has a bow. Cute. I like these 2. I'm gonna get rid of this one. Oh my gosh.
You want to strip again?
Yeah, I keep tripping. Okay, one last stop. Charles and Keith. I wanted to get like a white bag from them. The one I wanted looks like that.
From this place?
Looks like that, but white. That black one. But in white. And they're sold out online. Or like they discontinued it or something.
Oh.
Should we head back? Oh, this one looks pretty cute.
Let's go.
We can just look.
Yeah.
Okay, this is our last stop. It's pretty cute. Yeah. A little too grungy for me. It's been a long day. My feet hurt. Back in the room. Gonna get ready for bed, go to sleep, then wake up at 6 a.m. tomorrow to go to the airport. See you then. Changed our minds. We're going to the convenience store to look for some fresh fruit. Bread? Oh, maybe I do want bread. What's that?
It's like the bread is like you tear and then it's
Oh, tear apart bread. I was ready to take a shower, and then mom was like, let's go to the convenience store. I'll buy you some fruit. Well, because I really wanted fruit, but she didn't want to get me room service. So here we are. Look, I even have my sandals on.
Cost, right?
Yeah, it was like $100, and it would have been like a plate of 2 apples or something.
I was saying that, see, 牛奶拉丝面包.
I want fruit. Do you think they have it? Do you think they have fruit? Expensive apples?
Well, and there's no strawberry.
Yeah. I think you change these tags out.
Do you want apple?
They have ice cream.
It said this one. But
Just did it, yeah.
oh, they have.
Realm with my ice cream. Mukbang time. Magnum mukbang time. I'm so happy. I really wanted like something nice, cold, and refreshing to eat. And now I have ice cream and apples.
You can tell how happy you are getting her. But not herself. It's kind of dangerous. Well, or maybe she can go. Did you wash it?
Yeah,
Okay.
that's good. Done with my apple. Okay, now time to go to bed. I'm happy. Now time for bed. Good morning. It's 6:45. We are packed up, ready to go. waiting for our Didi in the lobby. The sun is just rising.